Hello and welcome. In this lecture, I'll be covering some questions of the class 4 oral exams which are likely to be asked by the surveyor. In today's lecture, I have covered the purifier, and in purifier I have covered the parent disk of the water for two services, that is, one is for operation and other one is for dislodging. As you must have observed, pressure for the water that is given for the normal operation and dislodging water, the pressures are different. And why is it so? Holes of the operating and dislodging water in a parent disk are at different radius. Why is it so? The holes have to be at the different radii. And also, supposing this is the parent disk, this water going and this is the point for water for the operating water. The holes for the dislodging water will be at a smaller radius, so that in the process of rotation the radius by which the operating water holes are provided, and this one is for the dislodging water dislodging water. So we have seen that the operating water radius is less than the dislodging water radius. This is so because when the water is supplied through the parent disk, this is the parent disk which is fixed at the base of the purifier, and about this the purifier takes the operating water as well as the dislodging water. Through this goes the operating water, and another channel is made through which the dislodging water goes. So the question comes, why the difference is there here for the different radii? Let us go in detail. I am drawing it for the bowl. This is for the operating water. I am showing the one half. Here you find here the holes are there which provide the water for the dislodging water. Here one more channel is made, so we can name it here dislodging water, and here operating water. This is for dislodging water and this is for operating water. So, and it keeps the bowl closed with the hood. So now this is for the normal water. The water will be, radius of the water will be somewhere here, and Supposing we want to give the desludging water, which will push the sliding bowl down. So in that case, what we have to do is that we have to provide a little bit of more water, so that the water comes in excess and goes to this area. It goes to this area and it flows. The water which was flowing by the less pressure, it overflows and comes to this place, and via this they move to the desludging water space. Now the radius of water level, radius of the layer of water, it has increased, because it was here this much, and now when the water has started flowing through this when the water has started flowing through this, the radius has increased from this to this, and so the radius is more. So when the radius is more, we know that the centrifugal force is directly proportional to the RPM and the radius. RPM for both of these water is same, and now radius is the one parameter which will decide what amount of force is there in the individual chambers. So now when the radius for the desludging water has increased, the centrifugal force for this desludging chamber, it will increase. And what will happen? The sliding bowl will be pushed down, because the pressure here has increased due to more radius, and due to less radius the pressure is less. Because the pressure is increased, the pressure is more here, and the sliding bowl will be pushed downwards. Once the sliding bowl is pushed downwards, the gap has been made here. Gap is made here, and the bowl is opened against the hood. So when the bowl is opened, whatever the sludge and the solids and or water is there, the whole of the bowl will be emptied at the high RPM. So that is the reason why the holes for the operation of water and the desludging water are given at the different radius. This is the pairing disc. This is for desludging water. Desludging water, this is for operating water. The desludging water and the operating water can also be supplied with different pressures. That is why for operating water there is a reducer of the water supply from the ship's hydrofoil tank. For the desludging water, it is direct. Operating water, it may be about 1 to 2 bar, and for the desludging water, it is directly 4 to 6 bar. So it is obvious that when the water is in excess, it will, instead of after having been filled up with this space, with this chamber, it will overflow to this discharging water chamber, and if the pressure is more, due to more radius, it will be pushed down. The sliding bowl will push down and the bowl will open and it will get discharged. Again, after being discharged, the discharging water is again stopped. So in that condition, it is still open because water is not there in both the chambers. So once the operating water is given, it gets filled up here, and this is the sliding bowl. This sliding bowl will be pushed up now due to the pressure that is made here, and the bowl is closed. Once the bowl is closed, fresh sealing water is given, and after that the feed is given, that is the dirty oil, and the separation or the purification continues. So that is the reason why the difference in radius is there for the discharging and the operating water.